If you're having trouble verifying your identity on LineageOS, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification failures. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update LineageOS. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to the Settings menu, find the app settings, and locate the verification app. Clear the cache and data for this app to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the verification to fail. Restart your device afterward. Step 4. Re-enter your credentials. If the previous steps did not work, try re-entering your login credentials. Go to the verification app and log out, then log back in with your username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct information. Step 5. Seek help from community forums. If you are still experiencing issues, visit LineageOS community forums or support channels. Other users may have encountered similar problems and can offer solutions or workarounds that have worked for them. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on LineageOS. If problems persist, consider reaching out to official support for further assistance.